Hi, in this video we're going to talk about the maintenance system. System maintenance is basically defined as the process of keeping a company's equipment running smoothly and efficiently. It helps us to minimize equipment failure and production downtime. Also, it helps track preventive maintenance schedules. So in maintenance system, both corrective maintenance and preventive maintenance are included, which means users are able to report an equipment failure or plan regularly inspections and repairs. Let's choose maintenance from the toolbar, go to configuration and click on maintenance teams. The first thing to do is to define the teams. You can click on new to add a new team or see the existing teams from here and add new members to the team. In the next part, equipment categories, you can categorize your equipment. Click on an existing category to see its name, a person in charge for it, the email address through which users can get in touch, and write your own comments. Also, from here you can see the assigned equipment as well as the maintenance requests. Here you're able to change the request status. From reporting, you can see the report of maintenance requests. For example, you can choose to see the to-do ones or the cancelled ones, or you can choose to see the report of each category. From equipment, you can add a new equipment. Take laptop as an example. Choose its category and define whether it is used by a department or an employee or others. Then specify the department or an employee. Now it's time to choose the maintenance team, its technician, and the Houston location. You can also write a description for the product category. Then write down the product info. Here you're supposed to write the vendor, vendor reference, model, serial number, effective date, cost, and warranty expiration date. The effective date will compute the mean time between failure. The last part, maintenance, is about failure and repair timing. For example, you can write down the expected mean time between failure and estimate the next failure. Also, you can write down the mean time to repair. By clicking on maintenance, you can see the ones that have been planned or the ones that have been done. From this box, you can schedule activities, log notes, send messages to the people who are involved, and also attach files and add followers. As we mentioned before, we have two types of maintenance: corrective maintenance and preventive maintenance. You can see them both from maintenance requests or dashboard. Also, you can schedule the preventive maintenance from the maintenance calendar. Choose a date and create an event, then edit it. Write down the request, choose the equipment and its category, select the request date, and choose the maintenance type. Then choose the team and the person in charge for it, select the scheduled date and duration, and rate the priority of it. Please note that if you choose the corrective maintenance type, your request will be done just once. However, by choosing the preventive type, your request can be repeated, so you're gonna need to schedule it. Also, from here you're able to write down notes and instructions. Then you can send messages or log notes just like we mentioned before. Click on activity to schedule an activity and assign it to the users. If you wish, you can attach files from here and click on followers to invite a new follower. You just need to define the recipients and write your message to add the follower. Save the changes and go back to your calendar to see the scheduled plan. From dashboard, you can see the maintenance teams and their schedules. Click on the schedule to see it on the calendar. You can change the calendar to the daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly calendar. This helps you see the schedules more organized in different frequency options. Now let's search the schedules. Here you can add filters. For example, you can ask to see the ongoing and done plans. Then you can see them on the calendar. And finally, click here to change the format of the calendar. You can choose to see it as a Kanban, list, pivot, graph, or an activity.